Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Hyde. I am going to show you what exactly this word study choice board means, because I know that there's a lot of people when I've been speaking to you that you're not really sure what to do here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what we are expecting. Okay, so you are going to you're going to choose 10 words each day, and you're getting your words. If you don't have, the list was in your day 2 packet. So I put up here day 2. If you go back to your day 2 packet, you can just rip the list out and use this every single day. Okay? When we were in school, we had already done A, B, C, and I think we even did, yes, we did most of D, and we were starting list E. So this goes to the end of first grade. I did also send your parents a link that has list G and H, and those are second grade lists. But if you know all these words, then you can move on to the higher lists. So I'm just going to go on and choose 10 words for today. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm just going to put a little arrow. Okay, so those are my 10 words. Little, to, going, here, but, that, said, over, don't, hour. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my word study choice board. Triangle spelling is the same thing as pyramid spelling, which all of you guys are aware of. So if I have my list right here, to do little, I would start with an L, then I would go L-I, L-I-T, L-I. You just add another letter every single time. T-T-L, L-I-T, T-L-E. And I can put a triangle around it like it's a pyramid. Right? So that is little. Okay? And I would go through every single one on here. So, 2. T, T-W, T-W-O. 2. Going, G, G-O, G-O-I, G-O-I-N, G-O-I-N-G. Going. When I'm done with all 10 words, I'm going to take a picture of this paper. Sorry, it's getting... There we go, focus. I'm going to take a picture of this paper, and I'm going to send it to my teacher on Remind. I'll do one more for today, but I'll show you some more. ABC order, you guys should know how to do that. So you're starting with the first letter of the alphabet. So do any of the words start with A? No. Do any of the words start with B? Ooh, but. So but would go first. So if I'm doing ABC order, it's going to look like this. I can even put up top ABC. First word is B, because that's the first letter in the alphabet. So but. Do I have any more B words? No. What about C? And I'm going to put a little check next to this so I know I did it. C. None of those words start with C. What about D? Ooh, don't starts with D, so I'm going to put check next to don't. And that will be my next word. E. Nope. F. No. G. Oh, going. Any more G? Nope. H. Here. Okay, and I'm going to continue to go through the entire alphabet and go through only my 10 words and put them in alphabetical order, just like I did here. So I just talked about triangle spelling, ABC order, rainbow spelling. It says write each of your words 5 times each with different colors. So it's just rainbow writing. You guys know how to do that. Color code, vowels, blue, and consonants red. What is a vowel? That might be tripping some of us up. So remember, we've been working on that all year. A vowel is a word, or a letter. A, E, I, O, or U. Okay, so these right here are your vowels. These would be blue. And your consonants, all the other letters, would be red. I'm not going to go through all of these right now because it would take a really long time, but at least I went through 1, 2, 3, 4 different ones that you can try out. Remember, your word lists are in your Day 2 packet. Have fun learning!